done the rebalance part, the ugly balance. I put a bit on the end there, just and I put a plug on the end of that. So I'm just measuring from the inside, right in the very inside here, 101.17, 101.17 up to here. We'll put some tape there and then I'll measure 101.17 again up with 4 centimetres added on the end. That's the wee fold back, and I'll just discard the rest. So it'll be this normal coax up to 101.17, and then the rest going forward will be the outer jacket and the shield taken off. Will just be the centre dielectric that's left, and then we'll put it on the VNA. So 101.17 for the inside up to here, and then we're 101.17 with 4 centimetres on the end for fold back. Now we just need to strip the outer and the shield off all the way up to the end, fold back the 4 centimetres, and that's us done. So that's basically the antenna done. Sealed up the wee end here, and we've got our 4 centimetre fold back. Last part in this build is just putting a wee PL259 on the end here, and that's us. Just going to put it on a 12 metre spider beam, put it up in the air, and we'll see what it's saying on the nano VNA. So here is basic antenna, 8 turns, 101.17, untouched 101.17, just the centre dielectric, and a 4 centimetre fold back at the top there. I didn't have any SO239s I could just put straight onto it, so I had to solder a PL259 on, and then I've got the wee barrel connector SO239, put that on there. I can just plug my patch lead. Patch lead here will just go straight into that, so for testing. There we go, let's crack on. And we're up at about 30 feet to the tip of the antenna, and you'll see on the VNA we've set it from 65 MHz to 75, and there's a nice dip in the middle with this antenna. We're on bang on 70 MHz at 1.3, and as we come up a wee touch here, 70.100 1.35, 7200 1.36, 300 1.37, 38, 70.400 1.39, 1.4, 70.500 142, 600 145, 147, 148, 70.800 1.5. So it's a nice dip there. One 400 1.4, 1 500 1.42, just perfect. The radio will bring it in even better. if I wanted to use the tuner on the radio. I started off with a 4cm overlap there, I had to change that, I'll show you in a minute. There's the eventual fold back that we ended up. At the start we done 4cm from the end. I'd say we're maybe about 15cm maybe. I mean, it might be different for you guys, just play around it. That's the starting mine's there at my finger, the fold back there, and that's the length, so 10 to 15cm fold back there. So, as I say, you're better being too long with the antenna than kind of too short. It's easy to shorten it off or fold it back like that than what it is to try and kind of add length onto it that's no originally there. So mess around with it, guys, experiment, see what you come up with. This is what's working for me, and I'll show you the VNA results here in a wee second. 1.38, 1.4, something like that on the band, so going to be okay. Take care, guys. 7-3.